Hey Glam Fam, so today I am really excited because we are going to be going over the new issue of Deck of Scarlet. If you guys don't know what Deck of Scarlet is, a subscription service of a palette, and this month it looks like so. And this is the collab with Belle Jordan, which I have been a really big fan of hers for a while now. So I'm super excited to be using this palette. So when you slide the palette out of here, this is what the palette looks like. And you open it up and you have your two lip colors here. And then your eye shadows and face products here. I am super excited to use this, but really quick, if you guys didn't know about Deck of Scarlet, it is a subscription service for a makeup palette, and it comes to you every other month. So every 2 months you get a new palette in the mail, which is amazing. If you guys can see my hair blowing and hear it, I'm sorry, it's hot here, and I have it just on low, so hopefully it's not that bad. So this is what the whole palette looks like. Very purpley, which I love. You get the two lip colors here, and then the three eyeshadows on the top, and a highlighter and a blush. Deck of Scarlet is also free shipping, and you can cancel at any time. You can also skip palettes if you're not really feeling them, which I find awesome. And with every palette, it is a new collaboration with a YouTuber, which is very creative and fun. The subscription service is only $29.99 every other month. I find to be a really good deal. And they are also cruelty-free and vegan. The link for you guys to go check them out will be in the description below. Alright, and so let's jump right into this tutorial. I am going to actually take Whisper, which is this super pretty blush color right here, and I'm going to use this as two things, our blush, but I'm also going to put it into our eye, into the crease. Alright, once we have that blended out, we are going to go in with Crush, which is this color right here. It's purple. And we're going to put that onto the outer portion of our eye. A stranger to excuses, burned me once or twice, I expect them. I just want to know what your truth is. Will you be the one? Alright, and then what we're going to do is we are also going to place that color into the inner portion of our eye, and we're going to work on a cute little halo eye. With nobody else, so give me something to believe. Then, once we have that down, we are then going to go in with Supernova, which is this super pretty sparkly light purple, and we are going to place that onto the inner portion of our eye. We're going to go in with these same colors on the bottom portion of our eye in the same pattern. So we're going to take Crush and put it onto the inner and outer, and then Supernova on to the center. Alright, and then once we are done with that, we are going to go in with Drama, and we are going to place this onto the darkest parts of our eyes. So anywhere that dark purple is, we are going to place it into the center of that. So here is where we're going to place it, and then out onto the corners of our eyes as well. Burned me once or twice, I expect them. I just want to know what your truth is. Then we're going to take and we're going to put this into our highlight spots, right below our eyebrow arch and right into the center of the halo eye. Don't wanna
wanna share you with nobody else. So give me something to believe.
And then I am going to do my lashes and liner, and I will be right back. This deck of Scarlet came with mascara too, so I'm just going to put a light coat on and then go into my bottom lashes. What we're going to do is we are going to just apply some of the Whisper, and we're going to keep this on the outer portion of our face. So back here. Then I'm just going to apply the highlight color onto the, ooh, wow. Ooh, that is pretty, guys. Look at that. Ooh.
I am not a stranger to excuses. Burned me once or twice, I expect them.
Then we're going to go into the lip colors. I'm going to actually go in with Tempting, and we're going to apply that.
Break me out of this. I want you all to myself.
Then once we have that applied, I'm going to actually go back in with Shh. And we are going to apply this right to the center of our lips.
Will you promise me? Will you promise me?
And then once you are done with that, you are done with this look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, please give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel down below. It's free, and if you click the little subscribe button down there and then the bell notification on, you will never miss another one of my videos. And don't forget to check out Deck of Scarlet in the description below. And I will see you guys in my next video. I love y'all. Bye!